Effects is going to be another important tab. In effects, you can find your effects. So these are kind of some effects that you can put on your audio to change the way it sounds. And again, I'm not going to go through all of them, but it is a good place to look and kind of experiment and see what you can find. Transitions are important for your audio. So, you know, at the end of my song, here I'm going to cut this music and I'm going to cut the video so that it doesn't go on for forever. But at the end of this song, you know, you don't want it to just abruptly end. So you can put any of these under crossfade on your audio to kind of have it fade out. And that's kind of a good tool to use. You can hear how it faded out. Under video effects, you'll find a lot of different effects you can put on your video to try out. And again, I'm not going to go through these, but experiment, see what's in there, and see what you can do. Video transitions are also important. I like to go to dissolve and cross dissolve and put a dissolve at the beginning. So my video, you can see my video kind of fades in, and then I'll put one at the end so my video kind of fades out. You can see it's fading out. And there's lots of different transitions in here that you can use to do a lot of cool things. So again, that's something you're just going to want to experiment with.